Obviously, now you're going to apologize. Can you not touch me? It's not going well.
Let's sit down.
I will not sit down. You will go get Judy or somebody from the prayer.
In a situation like this, the scenario is someone who, after service, is waiting in the sanctuary, demanding to see someone from, in this case, someone from the prayer team. One of the things we're looking for is positioning and all that. We want to be careful that we don't basically get in someone's face. You see how compressed everyone is in between the pews? In a situation like this, someone who's in crisis may feel that everyone is ganging up on them, which should actually create a fear-aggression type situation and get them more heightened, more upset, more stressed out, more defensive. So ideally, what you want to do is have one primary person walk up and make initial contact with them to talk to them, begin the de-escalation process, and the other person stand back probably about right here, about 15, 20 feet back, where they can have an overwatch position. They can easily cover that distance to protect and support their friend if things start to go sideways, but they're not giving the impression that they're all ganging up on him. And it all comes down to you appearing, part of your ACE card, your ACE, all appearing, avoiding appearing like a threat to someone who's in crisis and having a bad day.